heated international debate at the Oxford Union titled India's Response to Pakistan, Populist Strategy or Security Policy, has sparked a firestorm of accusations and counter-accusations. But here's where it gets controversial. The event's dramatic collapse has led to a war of words between Indian and Pakistani representatives, with each side presenting vastly different narratives. Indian Speaker Sai Deepak has accused the Oxford Union of organizational failure and alleged a deliberate Pakistani gambit to avoid the debate. He claims that the Pakistani delegation, including prominent figures Hina Rabbani Khan and Khawaja Muhammad Asif, had already landed in Oxford but then backed out, showing a lack of courage to engage in open dialogue. This directly contradicts the Pakistan High Commission's statement, which expressed regret over the Indian delegation's last-minute withdrawal, citing a lack of confidence in their security policy arguments. And this is the part most people miss. The involvement of Pakistani nationals in key union positions, such as Musa Haraj as president and Raza Nazar as treasurer, adds a layer of complexity. Deepak suggests this may have influenced the event's outcome, especially with the last-minute withdrawal of high-profile Indian speakers, former COS Srina Ravane and Dr. Swamy. The debate's cancellation has ignited a social media firestorm, with Shiv Sena UBT lawmaker Priyanka Chaturvedi mocking Pakistan's alleged lies. This incident raises questions about the challenges of organizing international debates and the potential for geopolitical tensions to interfere with academic discourse. What do you think? Was this a deliberate strategy by one side, or simply a series of unfortunate events? Share your thoughts below, but remember to keep the discussion respectful and constructive.